Ang galing ng ginawang knockout play dito ni Eman Calo mga idol. Pero veteran na sina Alex Cabagnot at Arwin Santos may chemistry pa rin. Dimension Man, Vic Manuel napakita din ng kanyang touches sa long range. Kaya tara mga idol, ating panoorin ang kanilang tapatan kung sino ang mananaig hanggang dulo. Basilan Star Horse versus Pangasinan Heatwaves. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Coach Gerson Cabilte sa laro na to, but Coach Rich Alvarez opting.
Here's Mike De Gregorio. Atake si Mike DG off the glass and in. Opens the game.
Yung na-realize niya, I think he's already made up his mind that that really is gonna be the way that he's gonna contribute in producing offense, as we see Fontanilli, you know, are really well built, a lot of big names, a lot of veteran players. Mike De Gregorio.
Caduyac, atake, Raymar Caduyac puts Basilan on the board.
This likes to run, and that's an open secret. Everybody knows about it.
Eman Calo.
Definitely have to see that again.
7-4, De Gregorio feeling it. Dagangon drives baseline, nice finish galing kay Calo agad. Next week makikita na naman natin to sa Palayan City.
For sure.
Sherwin Concepcion with a 3.
And many people think that, you know, just because these guys are veterans, that it would be easier for them to develop.
Alex Cabagnot. Cabagnot, jumper. He will get the bounce. Alex Cabagnot.
That is a very tough shot going to
Sherwin. Bigay kay Enzo. Roson gets it to Jervy. Consi Jervy knocks down the 3.
Vic Manuel should know best. Shot has been very dependable para sa Basilan Star Horse this season.
Ese Gabo answers right back. When Flores has time, he gets it to Gabo. Hesed, the 3, got it!
After that Vic Manuel storm in that game, in terms of taking control of the match, the Knights, when the nerves settled down, but as we were talking about it.
Cabagnot, the Hesi, the layup, yes. Still effective. And then with Vic doon din, you know, at least hindi masyado magkaka-advantage as Jay Collado lays it in off the feed.
They're gonna be in a good spot all the time.
Jimboy Pastoran short on the 3. Ali Santos the offensive rebound and he banks it in for 2.
Just what hasn't been kind to Alex tonight.
Ian Melencio lost the handle. He gets it to Manuel. Layup, got it.
For the Heat Waves this year.
Dagangon knocks down the corner 3. Melencio, 10 seconds to work with. Ian gets it to Jay Collado. Pulls the trigger and knocks it down.
Galing kay Jay Collado, who is in one of the best shapes of his life this season.
He's locked in. Jay Collado. Dagangon gets to the loose ball. Eman Calo. Nice fake. Turnaround shot. Eman Calo for 2.
They don't settle for low percentage shots or like home run hits. They always try to go for those high percentage looks.
Play here in the second period. Eman Calo gets a running start. Arwin back out to Jervy. Cruz a 3. Got it. Fontanilla gets it to Maguliano. Gets a running start and lays it in for 2. Cabagnot finds Arwin Santos. What a connection between the two veterans.
And how many times he gives his players a lot of liberty.
Calo on the move. Eman too strong. Adi Santos is there to clean it up.
Kapigilan dun sa mga ganong klaseng sitwasyon.
Nahabol ni Alex Cabagnot. He goes to the corner. That's a 3 from the crutch man.
Finally,
The official outfitter of the MPBF. Maraming salamat. The LGR is the muscle man. Puts it in for points out of that possession. Pastoran on the move. Layup is good.
blew by Hesed Gabo there and just went straight to the cup. No rim protection para sa Pangasinan. Oh, that's a very tough shot. And you got 3 white shirts looking at him there. You got allowed the open look.
Arwin, another opportunity, he puts it back in.
Very capable, more than capable rebounders in Adi Santos and Arwin Santos on the opposing side. Jimboy Pastoran's been giving him big competition in that department. That time,
Navi,
he's been pushing all the right buttons while also playing good defense, I must say.
JP Maguliano, partner here on the left. Dagango, the 3. Calo, right place at the right time. 2-point. Bola ulit. That's rebound number 6. Enzo Hosso knocks down the 3. Tayo ng ating regular season and the race is heating up. And Ian Melencio,
Especially after that boo-boo defensively, not marking Enzo Hosso, but here they force a turnover.
those are 6 good ones.
It's score.
Pastoran. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jimboy, spin, layup, got it. Wow. And he's been a stabilizing force para dito sa Basilan. That's a 3 from Japs. Para sa Basilan Star Horse, Pangasinan with the ball right now. Maguliano all the way to the cup. Quintanilla, King Gortiza for the lead. The Heat Wave is 8. Now they are on top by 3. Cabagnot, no good on the 3. Arwin, no. And
Actually, you could say even more than mediocre dahil hindi na talaga.
Juliano, Bautista, Napoles, and Gortiza. Alex Cabagnot ties the game with a 3.
He has really showed out. Scoring against Arwin Santos, playing good defense.
Adi. Let's hit to Tempra. Nice feed. 6-64. Galanza got the step, count the basket.
The team that really covers all these spaces could end up on top.
5 seconds. Alex to Gav, a 3. Yes! These two
Cement his spot as one of the top point guards here in the league. You know, after that run with QC, which wasn't very bad. In fact, he had a good run with Quezon City, but that moved him.
loose ball ends up with Enzo. Naagaw ni Bong Galanza. Japs. 1 man to beat. Gabo for 2. Bound. Here comes Hesed pushing. Galanza up top. And Bong Galanza put up. Maguliano now with Bong Galanza. Back to Hesed from downtown. Got it.
Ball like this.
Kaya nga, what a way to return home and claim victory. The Pangas